So because we have a whole canvas, I'm thinking that we could probably use the canvas, the entire canvas on the wall, meaning the sides as well, the 3D sides, rather than just the front part. So I'm going to make a selection over. Again, I'm gonna do it quick, but including the side panels. Again, if I was doing a real selection, I'd be in really close, but then it might be difficult for you to see. So, all right. And then I wanna, mask my object. Come on. Control Z. So I want to mask my object, right? And if you want to place it on the wall, one of the things you can do is use your transformation option. So let's place it directly over this canvas, right? If you notice, we cannot just resize it for it to fit. But if let me show you. You can transform in different ways. Scale would make it big or smaller. Rotate would make it, rotate. But you can also skew, distort, or adjust the perspective, right? By using different keys on the keyboard, or you can actually just pull up the options right here. So I'm gonna use Control, because I'm familiar with doing it that way. First, I'm gonna resize, so scale my object to get to just about the right size. And I'm gonna use Control and then manipulate image so I can tweak it in different ways, right? Now, if you notice, it's not tweaking exactly the way I want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna escape. And now that I have the mask made with that, and I don't want all of the extra pieces that I'm not seeing interfering with it, I can convert to Smart Object. And now I'll just be working with the object that I can see and not the entire mask around it, right? Now, if I press Control, I can manipulate the edges to fit them precisely where they need to be to get it to look like, sorry, it's not working out so precise. Sorry, okay. I think it's the resolution of that image, but anyway, you can tweak it to place it precisely on the wall. So let's just try and get it right to cover up that precise image. Yeah. So compare that with this one. I mean, if you don't really look, you cannot tell the difference. But in terms of the angle and the placement on the wall, look at the placement. This is the one that I did compared to yours. You can see the difference, right? And if I wanted, we could have come in and tweak a little bit more to get everything just perfect. But again, we're working with a small image that will do for now. Yeah. In terms of yours, what we could have done if I just convert that to a smart object. So convert to a smart object. I could manipulate it and put it within that existing frame. So I'm pressing Control, which will allow me to manipulate it in different ways, adjust perspective, skew it. Again, it's a bit rough, but you get the general idea. Perfect. As close to perfect as possible. Everyone get the idea, right? Yeah. One last thing in here. For the teddy bear, I see you have a layer called shadow, but it doesn't have any shadows. Just to do it real quick, we have less than 2 minutes right now. For the teddy bear, again, to give it that realistic feel, I'm going to just duplicate it. I'm gonna convert that to a smart object, which is the shadow, right? And sorry, let me just shift. Just want to drag it down so I get the and now we create our shadow quickly again, color overlay and a little Gaussian blur, right? Let's just give it a black color overlay. And you can even give it a gray color overlay, that's fine. And actually, we don't even have to blur it because it's nice bright lights in the room. So we can just drop the opacity to about 70. That's 60. All right, guys, we may get cut off any second now. So we will come back in the next 5 minutes. But why is it putting a 6 for me? Oh, 60. All right, there we have the teddy bear shadow on the bed. All right, everybody good? Any questions for me? Anything not clear from the homework? All right, guys, so we're gonna take a break right here. Let me just see if I can get a screenshot of the people that are in here.